Hi, I'm Curtis Aikens, a University of California Marin Master Gardener in Novato, California, with part 2 of our 3-part series on sweet potatoes. The first segment, propagation. In other words, how to start your sweet potatoes. Today, we'll be talking about part 2, which is growing sweet potatoes, planting them and getting them going. So these are instructions for you if you live in the Bay Area or Marin County where I live. If you're in a completely different location, reach out to your local Master Gardener organization or local university extension for advice more suitable to your part of the country. We ended part 1 with several glasses full of rooted sweet potato slips ready to plant. It was so simple to get those sweet potato slips. You can use any sweet potatoes, whatever color, big or small. Just put your favorite sweet potato in a glass of water, wait for sprouts. Then pull them off. Put them into water and wait for the roots. And then in about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll have a beautiful set of leaves and roots ready to plant. The roots of each of these sweet potato slips will produce between 6 and 12 sweet potatoes. The size depends on growing conditions, how much room you have to grow them, and the varieties you start with. For me, that's small potatoes because my mama loved those big sweet potatoes. I'm going to grow a few of those in her memory. So what do we need to grow sweet potatoes? Sun, soil, water, and of course, our sweet potato slips. Let's dig in. To grow well, sweet potatoes need 4 months with 6 to 8 hours of sunshine each day. For that reason, people often plant in April or May and harvest in September or October. You can plant sweet potatoes in the ground, in planter beds, a large wine barrel, or you might want to try grow bags, available at nurseries and online. They provide aeration to the roots, adequate drainage, and you can easily move them to sunny locations in your garden. Whatever soil you choose, you'll have best results if the soil is light, sandy, loamy, and drains well. Because I have clay soil, I've added compost to my planter beds for years. If you're just starting out, use a light potting soil. The planting hose should be 4 inches deep and twice as wide as the roots. You'll want to water the newly planted slips daily for the first week, then every other day the second week. After that, water them once or twice a week, depending on the weather. It's better to water deeply rather than frequently. You'll want to keep the ground moist, but definitely not waterlogged. Water at the base of the plant. Keep the water off the leaves and stop watering about 3 to 4 weeks before harvesting. Don't fertilize with nitrogen. You're going to get lots of leaves rather than roots. But do use mulch to help keep the soil moist and weeds from growing. The mulch also keeps the vines from re-rooting. If they still try, lift the vines occasionally or put them on a trellis. After about 6 weeks, the soil will be totally covered with sprawling sweet potato plants. When they flop over and the leaves start to turn yellow, in about 90 to 120 days, some say 3 to 4 months, you're ready to harvest, as you will see in episode 3. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe to our channel and tell a friend. Visit our website or call our help desk. Thanks for watching.